Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. Today my lecture number 3rd, lesson first exercise. Agenda of this lesson: first multiple choice question, second true or false, third application based question, fourth fill in the blanks, fifth answer of the following. So let's start this video. Multiple choice questions. Question number first. Dash introduce the concept of zero. Dash introduce the concept of zero. Option: Adal Lovelace, Aryabhat, Bill Gates. The correct option: Aryabhat. Aryabhat introduced the concept of zero. Question number second. Dash converts the decimal format into its binary equivalent. Option: digital computer, cell phone, abacus. Correct option: digital computer. Digital computer converts the decimal format into its binary equivalent. Question number 3. A computer understands only dash language. Option: English, French, binary. Correct option: binary. Computer understands only binary language. Question number 4. In a binary multiplication, 1 cross 1 equals to dash. Option: 0, 1, 2. Correct option: 1. In a binary multiplication, 1 multiply 1 equals to 1. Question number 5. To perform division on binary number, divide the number by. Option: 2, 4, 8. Correct option: 2. To perform division on binary number, divide the number by 2. After multiple choice question, true or false. Question number first. The decimal number systems consist of 10 digits. Example: 0 to 9. This option is true. The decimal number system consists of 10 digits. 0 to 9. This statement is true. Question number second. Method to perform divisions of two binary numbers is not the same as that of decimal number. This statement is false. Means the method to perform division of two binary number is not the same as that the decimal number. Is division of binary number and decimal number are same? No, this statement is false. Question number 3. 1 multiplied by 0 equals to 1. This statement is false. 1 multiplied by 0 equals to 0, so this statement is false. Question number 4. Charles Babbage introduced the concept of zero. Charles Babbage introduced the concept of zero. This statement is false. Charles Babbage introduced concept of zero? No. Aryabhat introduced the concept of zero. The numbers used in octal number system are 1 to 7. The number system used in octal number system are 1 to 7. This statement is false because octal number system are 0 to 7. So this statement is false. Application based questions. Question first. Ratika's computer teacher asked her to convert the octal number to decimal number. Suggest her the method which she should apply in converting the octal number. Question here कि Ratika's computer teacher asked her to convert the octal number to decimal number. Suggest her the method which she should apply in converting the octal number. Answer: multiply the decimal number with the base 8, like 8 the power 0, 8 the power 1, so on, and add the individual's result. After that you perform such type of activity and after that you add it. So you convert decimal to octal number system. Question number second. The teacher has given an assignment to Saurabh on binary subtraction. Saurabh is confused how to subtract 1 from 0. Help him in solving the problem. Means the teacher has given an assignment to Saurabh on binary subtraction. Saurav is confused how to subtract 1 from 0. Help him to solving the problem. Answer: when we subtract 0 minus 1 with borrow 1 taken from the next place. 0 minus 1 and you take borrow to the next one. After that, fill in the blanks. Question number first: the base of binary number system is, you fill 2. The base of binary number system is 2. Color text is fill in the blanks. Question number second: the base of dash system is 10. Then you fill decimal. The base of decimal number system is 10. Question number 3: the octal number system consists of dash digit. The octal number system consists of 8 digit. You fill 8. Question number 4: in binary addition 1 plus 1 equals to 10. In binary addition 1 plus 1 equals to 10. You fill 10. Question number 5: dash number system is understood by the computer system. You fill binary. Binary number system is understood by the computer system. Question number 6: DAX uses 16 symbols to represent numbers. You fill hexadecimal. Hexadecimal uses 16 digits to represent number. Question number 7: in a binary subtraction 1 minus 1 equals to, you fill 0. Binary subtraction 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Answer of the following. Question number first: explain number system and its commonly used types. In early day, there are no means of counting. People used to count with the help of fingers, stones, sticks, etc. These methods were not adequate, and to overcome the limitations, number system was originated. Commonly used types are decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal. So ये question explain the number system and its commonly used types. So in earlier days there were no means of counting. People used to count with help of fingers, stones, sticks, etc. These methods were not adequate, and to overcome with the limitations, number system was originated. The most commonly used number system: decimal number system, binary, octal, hexadecimal number system. Question number second: what are the rules to convert a decimal number into binary number? What are the rules to convert decimal number into binary number? Answer is: rules to convert decimal number into binary numbers are: first, divide the given decimal number with the base 2. Divide the given decimal number with base 2. Second step, write down the remainder and divide the quotient again by 2. Write down the remainder and again divide the quotient by 2. Repeat the steps 2 till the quotient is 0. Repeat the steps 2 till quotient is 0. When you follow these steps, you can easy way to convert decimal number into binary number. Next, question number third: write the rules to multiply two binary number. In decimal number system, when any number is multiplied by 0, it becomes 0. Similarly, in binary number system, when you multiply any number with 0, it becomes 0, and 1 into 1 become 1. These are the rules to multiply two binary number. Question number 4: briefly explain the octal number system. The octal number system consists of 8 digits, means 0 to 7, with the base 8. The procedure to octal to decimal conversion is similar to the binary to decimal conversion. The only difference is the change of the base. Means in a binary you divide by 2, but in octal you divide by 8. Means here the digits, 8 digits, 0 to 7. The base of the octal number system is 8, so you divide decimal number to convert decimal to binary, then you divide by 8. and write the remainder just like binary. Hopefully all students understands all content of the video. If you face any problem, contact my personal number. Each and every student write and your copy and learn them. Thank you.